Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So I am Anju here and I welcome you all for my YouTube channel. Okay, so today in this video I am going to discuss about if you are not getting ETL testing jobs, so any other ways to get ETL jobs. So this is what the video contains here. So video will be going to be very informative. So if you are not subscribed to SQL Master, kindly subscribe to SQL Master YouTube channel. So you'll be getting to videos about ETL testing. Okay, so let's start the video. So I have one website here. There you are getting ETL jobs. Okay, so instead of trying for companies, some people are just work from home only. Okay, this is completely remote. So this is very important video for you, and you are getting remote ETL jobs here. So let's go for the website. So this is the website here. Just press enter here and the toptal. Okay, so toptal.com here. I provide this link under my description tab. Okay, so you can click there and go to this website. So remote freelance ETL developer jobs with top global clients. Okay, so ETL testing jobs is not available here, but ETL developer jobs are available. So for these, you can go through this website and you just register yourself and be ETL developer. So instead of doing for ETL tester only, you can become ETL developer also. No, time being, so you can get very meaningful experience. Okay, real time experience here. So here somewhat it is containing apply as an ETL developer. So you have to make some account here. Okay, so this is the process. Jobs come to you and work from anywhere. Okay, so remotely you can able to work here and get paid on time every time. And the top clients, you are working with top clients. So this is the website details here. Once you are in the network, then what? So create your profile, choose the projects, work with top clients. So this is what the process here. And after registering, these people will conduct a test for you. Okay, so that is approximately of 2.5 hours, I think. These are going to conduct a test. So if you pass that test, then you will be going to work with these people. Okay, so let us click here, apply as an ETL developer. So either you sign up with LinkedIn or you can choose your mail ID. Okay, apply here your mail ID, and I'm giving my mail ID here, and I'm giving password. So I'm just applying as a freelancer. So this is a freelancer network. So you can work here as a freelancer. So then we see what's the next process here. So you can choose here country and city, wherever you are, city, and then citizenship and the fluency of English. That is what advanced. What I am choosing is advanced. What's the main reason you are applying at TopTel? So I want freedom and flexibility of remote work. You can choose any reason you want and click on continue. So here you can choose how much experience you have. So I have 2 to 5 years. Primary job interest, so you can choose whichever you are getting applying here. Okay, so I choose, for example, okay, you can choose later whatever you want. So years of experience in primary job interest, that is I have 4.4 years. Okay, do you have CISP certification? No, I do not have. And skills, what skills you have, like MySQL, Oracle. Okay, you can type the things here, Oracle and Informatica, and you can choose any other things you have skills here. Okay, so like Zira, so you can choose minimum 4 skills, maximum up to 6 skills. Which type of job commitment do you prefer, full time, part time, or hourly? So I select here full time. And what is the preferred hourly rate in the US dollars? So this will be going to change in real time, but you have to mention your per hour rate. That I mentioned here $20. So as I have 4 years of experience, so if you have LinkedIn profile, you can mention LinkedIn link here and GitHub link, and then click on continue. Okay, so this will be very helpful for you people to get experience here. Okay, before joining to the company, you can work here for at least for one project, two projects. Okay, what type of projects would you like to work on? So you can mention here the project details and what interests you most about building a freelancer career. So you can just mention some details here. So when working with a client remotely, what do you consider the key success? So whatever you have thoughts about key success to working with clients remotely, so that you have to mention here. So as I am pasting some dummy data here, you can observe things, but you can write here related notes what you have in your mind, and then click on continue. So after clicking on continue, you will be going to move to next phase. So you can upload here some profile photo. So I just upload here some dummy photo. So you can just wait for things. So I can check here if any photo I have. Yeah, I have here, and I upload this photo. Okay, so my photo, and after uploading photo, you can write some short biodata here. Just I paste dummy content and then click on finish. So it's asking for resume here. So I upload my resume CV. Here I am uploading my CV, which is in PDF format. So I just upload this CV here, and then after uploading CV, and then we move to next process. So this is what you just click here on finish, and then you are moving to send application, that is profile setup 3 minutes. Okay, so you can click on send application. So after you click send application, so confirm your mail address. Okay, this will going to appear here, and then just simply confirm the mail id. So it's not available here because of due to maximum email ids account are open. So you just confirm your mail id. I want to show you here in this video. So because if you're not getting jobs, you can try for these websites. So that is best for you people to get experience. So this is what we think on, friends. So if you're not so if you understood this video, kindly subscribe to SQL Master and like and share my video. Thanks for watching video. I will be with you with some more videos in future. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care, friends.